Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor cooking with our list of the top 5 best camp stoves of 2024. We've researched extensively to bring you the most efficient, durable, and user-friendly options on the market. Stay tuned till the end for a surprise pick that's sure to revolutionize your camping experience. Remember, for more details and the latest prices of the products mentioned, check the links in the description. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more insightful content. Now, let's get started with the video. Number 5. Eureka SPRK Plus Camp Stove. The great outdoors with a review of the Eureka SPRK Plus Camp Stove in the stylish potter's clay color. If you're into camping or just love a good barbecue, stick around, this might be the perfect addition to your gear collection. First off, let's talk about the compact design of the SPRK Plus. It's a game-changer for campers on the go. The all-in-one structure is incredibly portable, and the integrated fuel compartment ensures you won't be juggling extra parts. Perfect for those tight backpacking trips where every inch counts. What sets the SPRK Plus apart is its all-inclusive features. This camping grill comes with everything you need, including a convenient spot for an 8-ounce butane canister. No need to worry about missing components or scrambling to find the right fuel. It's simplicity and convenience rolled into one. Let's talk aesthetics. The potter's clay color is a real eye-catcher. It adds a touch of style to your camping setup. Who said outdoor gear can't be chic? Eureka nailed it with this color choice, making your camping experience not just functional but also visually appealing. Now, onto the real deal. How does it perform? The SPRK Plus doesn't disappoint. The flame control is precise, allowing you to master the art of outdoor cooking. Whether you're grilling up a storm or simmering a savory stew, this camp stove delivers consistent, reliable performance. Last but not least, let's talk about durability. The SPRK Plus is built to withstand the elements. The sturdy construction ensures longevity, making it a worthwhile investment for any camping enthusiast. Trust me, you want a reliable companion out there, and this camp stove stands the test of time. So, is the Eureka SPRK Plus camp stove worth the hype? Absolutely. From its compact design to all-inclusive features, stylish color, stellar performance, and durability, it's a winner. If you're in the market for a reliable camping grill, the SPRK Plus might just be your new outdoor cooking companion. Number 4. Coleman 3-in-1 Camping Stove. The world of outdoor cooking with the Coleman 3-in-1 stove. With its timeless design and 120 years of legacy, this stove promises a blend of style and functionality. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Coleman 3-in-1 stove is a visual treat, blending timeless design with premium style. Its aesthetic pays homage to over a century of outdoor adventures. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue or heading out on a camping trip, this stove brings a touch of classic elegance to your outdoor cooking setup. Built to withstand the test of time, this stove boasts durable cast iron grill grates that promise longevity. You can expect these grates to hold up for years, making them perfect for those who love frequent outdoor cooking sessions. The heavy-duty latch ensures ease of use while keeping the stove securely closed when not in action. Need a stove that's easy to carry? Look no further. The Coleman 3-in-1 stove comes equipped with a built-in carry handle and a convenient carry case. Moving this stove around is a breeze, whether you're setting up camp or rearranging your backyard cooking space. Plus, it provides a secure spot to stow the regulator. What sets this stove apart? Its removable cast iron grill and griddle accessories. Say goodbye to culinary limitations. With these additions, you have the flexibility to explore various cooking styles and expand your menu options. It's not just a stove, it's a culinary companion for your outdoor adventures. Important note, this product contains iron. While it contributes to the stove's durability, those with specific health concerns should take note. Always prioritize safety, and if you have any doubts, consult with a professional. Now, let's wrap things up and see if the Coleman 3-in-1 stove deserves a spot in your outdoor cooking arsenal. The Coleman 3-in-1 stove impresses with its timeless design, durability, portability, and versatility. It's a fantastic addition to any outdoor cooking setup, whether you're a seasoned camper or a backyard barbecue enthusiast. Number 3. The Kovea Slim Twin Propane Camp Stove. The world of camp stoves, and I've got a gem for you: the Kovea Slim Twin Propane Camp Stove. Perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, this portable stove boasts some impressive features. Let's break it down. First up, the ignition type. The Kovea Slim Twin takes convenience to the next level with its automatic one-touch piezo ignition. Say goodbye to fumbling with matches or lighters. Now, let's talk about fuel compatibility. This stove plays nice with isobutane, butane, and propane, giving you flexibility in choosing the right fuel for your adventure. Whether it's a weekend camping trip or a hiking expedition, you're covered. The cartridge type is often overlooked, but it matters. The Kovea Slim Twin uses a screw-type gas canister, ensuring a secure connection and stability during cooking. No unexpected surprises here. Time to get into the nitty-gritty. The isobutane consumption is rated at 230 GH, delivering a whopping 2,721 kilocalories, 10,797 BTU, and 3.22 kilowatts of cooking power. Efficiency meets performance in this compact package. Switching gears to propane, the consumption is at 316 GH, providing a robust 3.738 kilocalories, 14,842 BTU, and 4.34 kilowatts. Whether you're simmering a stew or boiling water in a flash, this stove handles it with ease. To wrap it up, the Kovea Slim Twin Propane Camp Stove is a game-changer for outdoor cooking. From its user-friendly ignition to fuel versatility and efficient consumption rates, it ticks all the boxes. Number 2. The Coleman Cascade Classic Camp Stove. If you're a camping enthusiast or just love picnics, this portable stove might be your new best friend. Let's explore its features and find out if it's worth adding to your gear collection. The Coleman Cascade Classic Camp Stove nails it in the portability department. Its compact design makes it a breeze to carry, making it a fantastic companion for camping, picnics, roadside adventures, and beyond. Say goodbye to lugging around bulky cooking equipment. Cleaning up after a delicious meal is often a hassle, but not with this stove. The removable chrome-plated grate and aluminized steel cooktop ensure quick and effortless cleanups. Spend more time enjoying your outdoor activities and less time scrubbing pots and pans. Cooking outdoors requires precision, and the Cascade Classic delivers. The improved knob rotation provides precise temperature control, allowing you to simmer, sauté, or boil with ease. The two adjustable burners and rotary ignition add to the convenience, ensuring quick and matchless lighting for your culinary adventures. With 20,000 total BTUs of cooking power, this stove means business. Whether you're whipping up a hearty breakfast or a gourmet dinner, the Cascade Classic has the muscle to handle it. Say hello to efficient and powerful cooking, even in the great outdoors. No need to limit your culinary creations. This stove accommodates both 12-inch and 10-inch pans. So, whether you're flipping pancakes or stir-frying veggies, the Cascade Classic has the perfect fit. Embrace the versatility without sacrificing performance. In conclusion, the Coleman Cascade Classic Camp Stove hits the sweet spot for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Its portability, easy cleaning, precise cooking control, powerhouse performance, and versatile size make it a standout choice. If you're looking to elevate your outdoor cooking experience, this stove deserves a spot in your gear arsenal. Number 1. Camp Chef Everest 2X Camp Stove. The Camp Chef Everest 2X, a powerful two-burner stove designed to elevate your camping experience. Let's see if this compact powerhouse lives up to the hype. First up, the Everest 2X boasts a compact design with a folding lid, making it a breeze to transport and store. Perfect for campers on the go, it's a space-saving essential for any outdoor adventure. What sets this stove apart is its dual 10,000 BTU burners. Cook up a hearty breakfast on one side while simultaneously heating water on the other. It's like having your own portable kitchen, adding convenience to your outdoor culinary escapades. Ever faced cooking challenges in windy conditions? Fear not, the Everest 2X comes with a lid that doubles as a windscreen, ensuring efficient heat distribution and protection. It's a game changer, allowing you to whip up delicious meals in any weather. Included in the package is an adapter for a 1-pound propane cylinder. Camp Chef understands the needs of campers, providing everything you need to get cooking right out of the box. Convenience is key, and this stove delivers. Before we wrap up, let's give a shout out to the passionate team behind Camp Chef. Committed to delivering 5-star flavor, they create versatile gear that can handle the demands of both the backcountry and the back patio. It's not just a stove, it's a culinary companion. The Camp Chef Everest 2X impresses with its powerful burners, compact design, and thoughtful accessories. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a backyard barbecue enthusiast, this stove deserves a spot in your outdoor arsenal. Elevate your cooking game with the Everest 2X, your ticket to delicious adventures. So that wraps up our list of the best camp stove in 2024. Hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Contain Analysis family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.